Hi guys! So today is my birthday and thank you so much for all your greetings and wishes. I appreciate you all. Thank you guys. And I will just share, today I will make a cocktail. It's a mojito. I have this one. I just put a mint and a lime, and I will put an ice here. I add an ice right here. I will add a mint inside. And a lime. I-estimate ko na lang. This is lime juice. And also I will add this rum. Yes. I will add maybe only 1 ounce. Maaga pa, ayaw kong malasing. 1 ounce only. Isang ganito. And next, I will add soda water. 2 ganito. And I will add a syrup. Ito, ano lang ito, sugar with water. Then, pinakuluan ko lang. And estimate ko na lang, lagyan ko ng 15 ml syrup. And that's it. I'll just shake. Okay. Smells good, fresh. Yeah. Haluin ko lang. And I will garnish mint leaves. So, ta-da! I will try. It's so fresh. Cheers on my birthday. Bye. Thanks for watching.